Number 1 says Jordan works for a landscape company during his summer vacation. He's paying $12 per hour for mowing lawns and $14 per hour for planting gardens. He can work a maximum of 40 hours per week and would like to earn at least $250 each week. If M represents the number of hours mowing lawns and G represents the number of hours planting gardens, which system of inequalities could be used to represent the given conditions? So I'm going to look first at the number of hours. So this says he can work a maximum of 40 hours per week. So that means when I add M and G together, it has to be less than or equal to 40 because that's the most that he can work. So this first one here, A says M plus G is less than 40. That's great because when I'm adding M and G, my hours worked together, that's less than or equal to 40. This one here obviously is not going to work because this is saying M plus G is greater than 40, greater than or equal to 40. Well, Jordan can't work more than 40 hours, so this is not going to be our correct answer. C says M minus G is less than or equal to 40, but that doesn't make any sense because why would I subtract hours worked at a job? You have to add them together since you're working those hours. You can't have negative time in this situation. So C is not it. And then D says M plus G is greater than or equal to 40. Again, that's not my answer because the hours worked is greater than or equal to 40 in this situation. So the only answer that really makes sense is A, because that's telling me M plus G, my hours worked, is less than or equal to 40. Now I can double check my second inequality just to make sure that it makes sense. So this is talking about his money, and it says he would like to earn at least $250 each week. So this is saying his income from mowing lawns, so he earns $12 an hour for mowing lawns, plus his income for planting gardens, which he earns $14 per hour planting gardens, is greater than or equal to $250, which is amazing. That's exactly what I need because it's saying that his money earned is greater than or equal to $250, which is exactly what my problem is saying. He needs to earn at least $250 per week. So A is the only option that makes sense in this situation.